In this video, we will see a complete demo of Bookkeeper accounting software, right from downloading the Bookkeeper software to how to use its feature, what are the plans and what are the pricing. Okay, so bookkeeperapp.net, this is our website. You can visit this website and download the Bookkeeper software in your device. If you want to download it in your PC, then you can click on the option of download for Windows, fill up this basic form, then the setup will get downloaded. You can click on the setup and install the software easily in your computer device. To download it in mobile app, you can go to the App Store or Play Store. Once you have downloaded the Bookkeeper application, you will get a shortcut for the Bookkeeper software on the desktop. After that, you can simply click on the desktop application. Once you open the desktop application, the first thing that the software will ask you is to create a new company. Okay, you will get a window something like this for creating a new company. So you can go to the new company option and set up your company file by adding your company details. You can go to the company details. You can also add your company details to GST number. From the tax details, you can enable GST feature. If you want e-invoicing or if you're under composition scheme, you can enable the features that are needed. From the features tab, you can enable multi-currency feature, manufacturing, warehousing. Whatever features are needed, you can enable those features. From the password tab, we apply password for the admin, and from logo and signature we can add our company's logo and signature. Then you can click on save button to save your company file. After the company is created, you will find the company under companies on BK web tab. I've just now created this company, so I'll open up this company for the demo. You can enter your company password and the company will get opened from the dashboard. On the dashboard, software will show you basic information like your company's overdue invoices, how many unpaid invoices you have, what collection have you done in cash and bank today, the total receivable payable balance from your customers and suppliers, and you can also see the total cash and bank account balance. Below this, you will see graph for cash account, and you can also see graph for expense and income account on the dashboard. Apart from this, on the dashboard, software will also show you information like your best-selling items, the items that are about to get finished, and if there are any bills which are getting due today. For all such relevant things, you will be reminded by the software on the dashboard. Then on the left hand side we have our account section. When you go to all accounts section, you will find some common accounts already created. There are a number of accounts that are already created in the Bookkeeper software. Based on the features that you have enabled, on that basis you will find some accounts created. If you enable GST option, then all the GST accounts will also get created. So one does not have to spend his time creating these accounts again. You can simply start with adding your customers and suppliers. You can go to the new customer account section, and here you can add details of your customers, like the customer's name, his company name. If you want to create any group, you can create groups. You can add his phone number and email ID. You can add customer's address. You can add his opening balance. If you have enabled multi-currency feature, then you can also use multi-currency for this customer. You can set credit period for him in number of days, and you can set a credit limit as well. From the bank details section, you can add bank details of your customer. Similar way, you can go to the new supplier section to add details of your supplier. Other than that, if you have to add any other account, you can go to the simply new account section. Here you will select the account type. Let's say you want to create another bank account. If you have any expenses, income, assets to be created, and then you can select the account type and the account will get created under that particular head, and then you will also be able to record accounting entries for that in this software. Once you are done with creating all your accounts, you can go to the inventory section. From the inventory section, we can add items and services that we provide to our customers. So I'll go to inventory item section. We can start with creating one new inventory item. Okay, let's say I have an item Samsung TV. I can add it such as barcode if any. You can skip any fields that are not needed by you. Then you can set whether the item comes in packets, number of pieces. If you want to create a new unit of measure, then you can directly create a new unit of measure from here. And if it is compound unit, you can also set it as compound unit. Then you can add product description. You can add the opening stock details. Let's say I have 10 units with me. I will add the opening cost. Then I will set the reorder level. Let's say after 5 units, I want software me to remind that my item should get finished or not. So I will set the minimum order quantity for it as 5 units. You can also create some category, subcategory from this section. You can set MRP of your product. Let's say 50,000 is the MRP. If I will enable GST feature, then I can select a tax account. For now, we have not used it. Now we will go to the general purchase sale price of the product. It can be added over here. If you have more than one price list for your items, then you can also use our multiple pricing feature. The multiple pricing feature can be enabled from settings option, and under transaction settings, you will find the option. So in case you want to set multiple pricing, you can just go to transaction settings, and under date and date setting, you can enable this feature. The multiple pricing feature is available under for gold plan users, and the multi-currency feature is available for diamond plan features. To check which features are available under which plan, you can simply go to the gold plan menu and the diamond plan menu to get to know difference between all the plans that we have. Silver plan is whatever I'm using from outside, and gold and diamond plan features are listed over here. So under diamond plan, you get options like you can import, bulk import your items, customer suppliers Excel from Excel. You can restore deleted vouchers. You can connect payment gateways. You will get a lot of choice between the invoice templates and multiple app themes. You can use features like bulk SMS from an Android app, and of course the updates and all are available. And you can also migrate your data on BKWeb. And under diamond plan, you get all the features for the gold plan, and along with that you will get some additional features like creating more companies on cloud, more number of APIs, more e-bill and e-invoice APIs are available here. And most importantly, the multi-currency feature is available in diamond plan. Now let's continue. We can add more any number of items over here. We can add unit of measure from here, and if I also provide services to my customers, then I can also go to the service section and add services that are to be given to my customers. Okay, from service section I can go to add service option, and I can add services from here. If you have different locations to keep your stock, then you can also use the warehousing feature. To enable that, you can go to the company settings simply, and from company settings you can enable features of warehousing if needed. After doing the changes in the company settings, we can save the settings and restart the company. Now let us create a bill. To create the bill, we can go to the transaction section given on the left hand side, and I can create a bill from here. I can view my existing bills by going to the view option, and I will go to the create option to create a new bill. Now while creating a bill, there can be two possibilities, that I'm doing a cash sale or I'm doing a credit sale. So if it is a cash sale, I can select here cash account and add details of my buyer. And if I want to do a credit sale, then I will select the customer account. So let's say I'm selling to customer A. I'll add the place of supply as Delhi. Then you can select the items. You can either scan the item through barcode, or you can simply type the name of the item and add that item in the bill. Just use enter key to add the item in the bill. Select the number of quantity that you are selling. If there is any discount or tax applicable, all these things will get automatically picked from the information that you provided while creating the item. You can add more items from here, and you can add services from here if any. After you have added all the items and services in the bill, you can click on the save option at the bottom to view your invoice and to print directly from here. So this is how my invoice will look like. We have various templates given under template settings. You can choose the template that you like. From here you can generate multiple copies. You can share this invoice copy directly on mail or share it with your customer on WhatsApp as well. You can also print from here or open in any other format. To change the template design or to control anything related to print, you can go to the template settings. Simply choose the template design that you like. You can change headings from here. You can change the footer part. Okay. And the best part is all of this gets automatically synchronized with our mobile app. Just to demonstrate, I can show you my mobile app. So this is the mobile app screen. So the bill that we just created has automatically got synchronized with the mobile app, and I can view my invoice from the mobile app as well. Now we will create another transaction, one more transaction from the mobile app, and we will see how the impact looks like on my Windows. So let's create a transaction. We'll go to the purchase option. We'll add a receipt for this bill. So I'll go to receipt from customer option. I can simply select here that I received the payment in cash or bank. Let's say I received the payment in cash. Now I'm receiving from customer A. So I will select the customer account. I will select the bill against which I'm receiving the payment. If I'm receiving part payment, then I can mention the amount that is being received by me, and then I will simply click on save button. So my receipt transaction gets recorded, and I can see that my available cash balance is 11,000, and the receivable balance from the customer has got updated to 4,680. The same information is real time getting synchronized and coming in my Windows device as well. I can simply go to all accounts section. And see the cash balance 11,000 and the updated balance from the customer A is reflected over here. So this is how smoothly you can sync your data across the mobile app and the desktop version. We also have manufacturing module. If you are a manufacturer, then you can go to manufacturing journal option. On the left hand side, we can add the details of all the items that are getting consumed. This will be details of my raw material. And on the right hand side, we add manufactured items. And I can also mention the expenses that are being done by me. Okay. We can also simply create a template. We can create a bill of BOM and simply use the same formula for creating the items later on. Just use the multiplier feature to explore how many number of items you're creating. We have also added video tutorials just to help you out, so you can check out the detailed video of each feature from within the software. So as we create the manufacturing journal, the stock for the consumed items gets reduced from my inventory, and my finished product inventory item gets increased. You can go to the inventory item section to check your current stock. So based on the transaction that you're recording, your inventory will appear, and click on the item detail to see the details of the items. You will get to see all the transactions from this item, the opening stock, the transactions, and the closing stock available after that. If you want to see profit, then you can go to the profit section and you can see here bill wise profit, item wise profit in this report. Likewise, we have a lot of reports given under all reports section. You can go scroll from here. All the GST reports, your financial reports like balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, all these reports will get generated. You can share ledger statements with your customer. I'll just show the ledger reports and other important reports. So let's see the ledger report of customer A. This is my customer A ledger report. If you want more details in this report, you can enable the features that are needed by you and share this report easily with your customer on mail. Daybook report will show you a list of all the transactions that you've recorded within the day. So this is our daybook report. Sales register will show you all the sales invoice bills. In this report, you can check bill-wise profit. This is the gold plan feature, and only gold plan users can see this. Now, just to see the comparison between all the plans, you can go to settings option and subscription login, and then click on buy subscription option. This option will redirect you to our website, and here you can simply go to the pricing section just to see the comparison between all the plans. So as you click on the pricing page, then you can see all the plans available, and you can see a comparison between all the plans. So whatever features are needed by you, you can simply select them, and based on your requirement, you can choose the right plan for you. It's available for 1 year or for a lifetime as well, and you can select the number of devices on which you want to use simultaneously. For those many number of devices, you can buy the subscription directly from our website. If you have any further queries, you can always reach out to our support team. The support team number is given in the software contact us section, and this is our support team number, and you can also mail us your requirements, queries at support@bookkeeperapp.net. Thank you.